Hello, welcome back. In this video, we will learn about transition delays in CSS. So, if I go to the documentation on MDN, so the transition delay CSS property specifies the duration to wait before starting a property's transition effect when its value changes. Okay, so we can set up some transition delays and we can set up the transition delay at the end after the transition timing function. Okay, so if I just do something like 6 seconds, or let's do 3 seconds, something like this. So now what will happen is that if I just go to the browser, for the delay we have the 3 second, right? So for the first 3 seconds there will be nothing. Then after the 3 second mark, then we will have our transition started, and the transition will happen in the duration of 5 seconds because we have the transition duration to 5 seconds here. Okay, so here we can add multiple transitions. So if I just do a comma and then do color, and then I want to change the color over 4 seconds, and the color should have the ease in out. Okay, and then what I want to have a delay of 2 seconds. Okay, so if I do that, then if I just hover and then also let's refresh and also go to this one. Okay, all right, all right. So if I just hover over this, then we have some delays, and then our animation or our transition basically is kicking in, right? And you can see that inside of the dev tools as well. Okay, we have some delays and then our transition is starting and happening. I personally do not use transition delays quite often, but if you want to delay some sort of a transition, for example, you have multiple transitions going on for hovering over a single element and you want to delay them side by side, you can use the transition delay to do so. Okay, so this is basically the transition delay in CSS.